Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Kopy app on Shopify to duplicate your products in seconds. So here I'm on my Shopify store and you actually don't need to start from here. You need to go to the Kopy app website, that's app.kopy.app here, and then log in or sign up with your account. You can sign up here with Google or using email, so I'm going to sign up here with email pretty quickly. Okay, now I need to enter a password. Then click on sign up. And here I'm asked to get started. Now the first step is to go and enter your store's domain here. And to get it, it's pretty easy. Go to your Shopify store, settings, and then copy this domain under your store's name and go to the Kopy app, paste it right here, and then next. And then here you will need to select a plan. You have the essential plan, the starter, and the ultimate. You can go ahead and compare the features of each plan here or customize your own plan based on the number of products that you want to manage by Kopy. And then you can start your 3-day free trial. So I'll just continue with the starter plan right here. Okay, let's keep it monthly for now, confirm. And you'll be asked to go to the payments page right here. Okay, next. Continue. And now you enter your credit card details or your PayPal account in order to start your free trial and start using the Kopy app on your Shopify store.